Now we are going to see the complex tissue. Already we have seen meristematic tissue and simple tissue. The meristematic tissue, the cells redivides, and the cells are immature. The cells are immature. Means each and every cell have the power of new divisions. It divisibles, and due to the divisibles, the cells adds new cells, and mass of cells stops at the growing tip regions, at the apex regions. The permanent tissue, after additions of the divisions of the derivatives of the meristematic tissue, the tissue stops divides and becomes mature. The tissues, they are known as the permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are categorized into the two groups. One is a simple tissue. Another is a complex tissue. Here, in this simple tissue, the tissue which is made up of only one type of the cells. Tissue is made up of from the only one type of the cells. Their origin, structure and function remains same. On the basis, simple tissues are categorized into the three groups. It is a parenchyma. It is a living tissue meant for storage of food material. Collenchyma. Again, it is a living tissue meant for mechanical strength and support. Sclerenchyma. It is a dead tissue. It is for the mechanical strength and support. These are the simple tissues. Here, complex tissues. The tissue made by more than two types of the cells. More than two types of the cells. Their cells are homogeneous. Complex tissues are heterogeneous. Here means more than two types of the cells. The tissues permanent, but they are made by more than two cells. Their origin, structure, functions different. Their structure, origin different. Sometimes maybe functions same. There are two tissues, that is the xylem and phloem. Here, xylem is dead tissue, phloem is living tissue. Phloem means I have put here a few points to understanding What is the meristematic tissue? What are the simple tissues and what are the complex tissues? In general, that is the skeleton of these different types of the tissue. Today, we are going to see the xylem. Going to say the xylem. Complex tissue, xylem. Xylem is a Greek word. That is xylon. Means wood. Xylon means wood. Here means the tissue, major portion of the wood bears the xylem. Means as wood hard, xylem is a hard tissue. This xylem first put forth by the Nageli scientists in 1857. The Nageli scientist, this xylem tissue is a this xylem tissue, it is a complex tissue. Xylem tissue, it is a complex tissue because it is made by more than 2 cells. Therefore, it is a complex tissue. Xylem, it is a permanent. Xylem, it is a permanent. By additions of the derivatives from this meristematic tissue, the tissue which are developed becomes mature. Therefore, remains as it is without divisibles. The tissues, they are known as the permanent tissues. Xylem is a dead tissue. Xylem is a dead tissue. Here, see in simple tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma, they are the living tissues. Sclerenchyma is a dead tissue. As complex tissue, phloem is a living tissue, xylem is a dead tissue. The cytoplasm from the cell, nucleus, vacuoles, what are present in the cell, after maturation, dries up, destroyed, due to which the empty looking cell remains as it is. Therefore, the cells, they are known as the dead tissues. The xylem is lignified tissue because their cell wall, cellulose along with lignin deposition is major portion. Therefore, the cells, they are known as lignified tissues. They are known as lignified tissues. The xylem is present in the leaves, roots, stems. Means is more amount. The xylem is present in all parts of the plant body. Here, xylem consists, or xylem made by the main function of the xylem is known as the conduction and translocation. Conduction and translocation of water and minerals. Water and minerals. Means here conduction. The root hairs which are present on the root absorb water and minerals from the surrounding system. They are conducted and translocated towards the growing regions. Therefore, main function conduction. This xylem is known as also conducting tissue. Xylem is also known as the conducting tissue. Xylem is also known as the vascular tissue. Xylem is also known as the vascular tissue. Means in a vascular bundle, phloem and xylem. In the vascular bundle, phloem and xylem present. Major portion of the vascular bundle made by the xylem. Major portion. And very smaller portion made by the phloem. Therefore, it is also known as the vascular tissue. Means xylem main function conduction of water and minerals, translocation of water and minerals on the growing regions, and it gives main mechanical strength and support. Mechanical strength and support to the plant body. See it.